Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the most honest and detailed product breakdowns on the internet. Today, we're reviewing what might just be the best mining belt on the market right now, the Welkenland 2-inch men's heavy-duty suspenders. Now, don't be fooled by the simple name. These are far more than your average suspenders. Designed for rugged use, especially in industrial and mining settings, this product is built with serious durability and comfort in mind. So if you're someone who works in physically demanding environments or just needs reliable support gear, this review is for you. Let's start with the core build. The Welkenland suspenders feature a 2-inch wide heavy-duty strap system that's designed to distribute weight evenly across your shoulders. This reduces fatigue, which is a huge plus when you're carrying a fully loaded tool belt. What's impressive is that this isn't just about toughness, it's about smart ergonomics too. One of the most talked about features is the removable extended belt pad. And yes, it's exactly what it sounds like. It wraps around your waist and gives you flexible, adjustable padding wherever you need it. Whether you're climbing ladders, crawling into tight spaces, or moving constantly on site, this extended pad makes sure your waist stays protected and strain-free. You can move it, reposition it, or take it off entirely depending on your needs. That level of custom comfort is rare to find. Next, let's talk about the attachment system. The suspenders come with strong hook and loop straps and metal clips that latch securely onto any standard tool belt. They've been tested to hold up under significant load without slipping, bending, or snapping. That's critical if you're carrying hammers, drills, or any kind of heavy equipment. What also makes this product stand out is the overall quality of the materials. From the reinforced stitching to the breathable padding, every component feels like it's made for long-term abuse. No fraying, no tearing, and definitely no cheap shortcuts. This is equipment-grade gear. Another cool part, the design isn't just practical, it looks professional too. With a range of color options including classic black, navy, and brown, these suspenders don't scream, hardware store bargain bin. They're sleek, modern, and designed to look just as good as they perform. And let's not overlook how easy they're to adjust. Whether you're short, tall, wide-shouldered or slim-waisted, the adjustable sliders make it a breeze to get a snug, supportive fit. This is particularly helpful for workers who need to wear multiple layers in colder climates. You can quickly tighten or loosen them without having to remove your entire tool setup. It's ideal for miners, electricians, HVAC techs, carpenters, or anyone who wears a tool belt for hours on end. Even weekend warriors and DIY home improvers will find real value here. You're not just buying suspenders, you're investing in injury prevention, comfort, and gear longevity. To sum it up, the Welkenland 2-inch suspenders deliver on every front: durability, comfort, support, and design. Whether you're down in the mines or fixing roofing in 100-degree heat, this is one product that won't let you down. That's it for today's review. If you've got questions about this product or want us to compare it to others in the same category, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an episode of Product Critique, where real products meet real scrutiny. See you in the next one.